All right, so we just created an assessment and now we're in the very beginning, all right? Instructions. So if I'm going to be allowing the students to take this more than once, sometimes I like to give that direction here. Your highest grade will count. You may take this up to 2 times. Read carefully. Take your time. Do your best. I give standard directions like that at the beginning. Now here are where we have to choose a bunch of features. Assessment has a time limit. I usually don't put a time limit. I have 504 kids and IEP kids who need extended time, but if you just want to set a time limit, you can. Assessment questions are randomly ordered. I choose yes unless they're IEP and 504 kids, in which case I don't randomly order them, so then the CT teacher can work with them in the correct order. Show possible points for each question. I usually leave that on. Students can flag question for review. I recommend turning this on, and I'll go over this feature later in another video. Students can eliminate answer choices. I allow them to do this. It allows them to have a little bit more flexibility in their assessment. Students can use a calculator. Depends what you're doing. If it's simple calculations, I still just allow a basic calculator. In science, that's really all I'm going to need. Students can use a ruler. Again, in math or in some measurement activities, you might need this. Protractor, not apply. Students can highlight text. I absolutely choose yes. Students can use a notepad. I choose yes. It allows them to make some notes if they need to go back. And allow students to view results after an attempt is submitted. I say yes, but I don't let them see the correct answers. I just say yes. Number of times, remember, I'm going to choose twice. You have the ability to choose up to 20 times. And you can make the grade that goes in the grade book the last score or the highest score. I always choose highest score. And then you have to make sure to click save at the end. Okay, it'll tell me my changes have been saved. And then I'm ready to actually begin building questions.